Hello guys and welcome to Coding. Today we're gonna learn how you can deploy your websites just for free using GitHub Pages. So basically the GitHub Pages provide us some free hosting service that you can build your application or website, or you can host that website using GitHub Pages just for free. So you can share your websites with your friends and use this anywhere as you want. So let's start creating this. First of all, to learning this, we have two types of website basically. First one is static websites using something like HTML, CSS and JavaScript based website, or you can say that the scratched websites. We're gonna use two modes for this, the GUI mode and the CLI mode. Then we will deploy a React website as well. So let's see how we can achieve this thing. So first of all, go to the official website of GitHub. So I'm gonna go to GitHub and sign up and create your account. After creating your account and giving it some basic details right here, you will see a page something like this, and you can see the dashboard page something like this right here. Now after this, we have to create our static website firstly. So just go to your desktop and create a basic static file. So I have created a folder, and as you can see, 3 files right here. Just open this thing on our VS Code and let's see. That's the basic website. So I'm gonna open this as well. Okay, so I'm gonna open this right here. Open this thing on browser. Now as you can see, it's the basic website right here which we have created using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. Just go right here. When I click here, as you can see, button click. Just a basic layman website. Now first of all, we're gonna deploy this website using GUI mode. So go to your GitHub dashboard right here, and as you can see, a new button right here and here as well. You can click on any button as you want. I'm gonna click this new button. This showing me create a new repository. So name it anything as you want. I'm naming it something like testing HTML, CSS and JavaScript website. You can give some description right here. The description is optional, not mandatory. Mark it as public. Now add a readme file right here. After this, give it a name, give it a public and add a readme file. Click on this create repository button. After this, as you can see, we have only one file right here and a content of this readme file. Now as you can see, a button right here, add files. Click on this. Now click on upload files. After this, as you can see, we have two options. I can drag and drop files right here, or I can choose as well. So I'm gonna drag and drop files here. So go to your desktop and copy these 3 files and go to your browser and paste it right here. Okay, it will take some time. As you can see, it's uploading my 3 files right here. Now make sure to name your HTML file as index.html file, or it will not work as good as you want. After this, click on commit changes. It will process my files. After this, you can edit this readme file as well. So I can go something like, okay, I can go something like, this is a testing website using HTML, CSS and JS. Commit changes. After this, you can see this readme file right here. So this readme file shows what's actually in your repository. Okay, after this, we have to host this website or deploy this website. So go to the settings right here. Now after this, go to the pages right here. After this, you will see a branch section right here. Just select the main branch. Now hit the save button. After this, it will take some time, so just wait and refresh this. Now after some time, as you can see, my website is hosted on this link. So just open this, visit site, And as you can see, my website is completely hosted just for free. You can share this link with your friends and just see does it working properly. So I can click here, and as you can see, my JavaScript also working fine. Now we're gonna deploy our website using the CLI mode, or the second mode right here, as you can see. Now go to your GitHub again and create a new repository right here. Make sure that you have Git installed on your PC, so just go to the Git official website. After this, click on this download button right here, so you'll see the latest release. Click on this download for Windows. Click on this click here to download button right here. Now save, and I've downloaded it, so go to your destination folder and click on open. Now click on next. Now after clicking on install, you have installed Git on your PC. I have installed it, so I don't have to. Now again go to your GitHub, so I'm gonna initialize this repository from starting. So go to your GitHub and click on this new button again. Give it a name, something like testing underscore CLI. Okay, after this, don't give it any other parameter, just click on create repository. Now you will see some command line interface right here, so just go to your VS Code and just go to your files. We have to deploy this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna use Git right here. So first of all, click on here arrow button and select this Git bash as default right here. Okay, you can change this icon as well, so I'm gonna use the bash icon, and I can choose the color as well, so I'm gonna use the green icon. Okay, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna run the commands that provided by GitHub. So just go to your browser and start copying this thing. So I'm gonna just ignore this thing and copy this second command right here. Go to your VS Code, paste this thing. After this, again copy this thing. We don't actually have to add this readme file, instead we have to add this current directory files. So I'm gonna add a space and a dot. Okay, after this, copy this thing and paste this thing as it is. Again go right here, copy this, paste it right here. Again go to your browser, copy this thing, paste this thing, copy this last command and paste this last command as well. After this, as you can see, my file is uploaded right here. Now again go to your browser and hit the refresh button. Now as you can see, we have uploaded these three files right here using our CLI mode with terminal on VS Code. If you can't find the terminal right here, just click on the control and backticks so you can see the terminal right here, or you can go to here and select the terminal from here as well. Now the same step goes for this as well. We have initialized all the files right here. Now go to the settings, go to the pages. Now select the main branch right here. Now hit this save. After some time, and boom, we have our website live here, and it's working perfectly fine as before. Now let's go with the React files. So I'm gonna deploy a React website right here. For that we have a testing Vite React app as well. So open this thing on your VS Code. Now let's run this React app. So just see what we have actually created. So open this thing. As you can see, that's the boilerplate code and basic code, so we don't actually have to create anything. I'm not going to create anything. We just deploy this layman file right here. Just close the terminal, give it a clear command. First of all, we have to install the GitHub Pages right here. So run the command npm install, or we can use the npm I as well, gh pages --save dab. Okay, it will take some time. After installing this, go to your package.json file and just we're gonna add a new parameter right here. So I'm gonna add a home page right here. So give it a home page and I'm giving it some name. So just go to your GitHub again, go to your dashboard again. So I'm going to home. Now click on this new button right here. We have to create repository again. So react underscore website. Okay, just click on create repository. Now we have to do this thing. So first of all, we're gonna add this files, all these files on the GitHub. Then we're gonna do the deployment stuff. So again, go right here, use the same script we have used. So git init. After this, git add dot. After this, git commit slash m slash first commit. After this, just copy this thing, paste it right here, copy this thing as well, paste it right here, copy the last thing as well and paste this on your terminal. Okay, after this again go to your GitHub and just refresh the page right here. As you can see, my all files are here expecting the node modules file. As you can see, because this file we don't actually need it, so we can use this git ignore to ignore the files. We don't actually have to host this on our GitHub. Okay, so just go right here. Now I'm gonna do the deployment stuff. So go to your home page and I'm gonna add the repository link right here. So you're gonna use https / and here your GitHub username. So what's my GitHub username? So go right here and copy this username right here, paste it right here after this. Okay, after this add dot github.io and use a slash right here and your repository name. So my repository name, as you can see, React website. So copy this thing from here, paste it right here. Okay, after this parameter, go to your script parameter, add some lines right here as well, and first of all give it a build command. So we have actually a build command. After this build command, give it a pre-deploy command. So pre-deploy gonna be the npm run build. Okay, after this give it a comma. Second thing will be deploy going to be gh-pages /d and dist. Okay, give it a comma. Now after this go to your v.config file. So go to your v.config file. After this plugin, use a command right here. So I'm gonna add a base right here and give this base as your repository name. So I'm gonna copy this thing. So what's my repository name? It's React website. So I'm gonna copy this thing from the link. So copy this, go to your VS Code again and paste this thing right here. So use the slash, your website or repository name, then again a slash. After this, just clear your terminal and run the last command, that gonna be npm run deploy. Okay, wait some time, it will deploy my website automatically. Okay, as you can see, this all build logs and this published text right here. Now just go to your repository, refresh it, go to your settings tab, go to your pages and just refresh this thing. Wait some time, we don't actually have to do anything right here, just wait some time. Now click on this link right here and as you can see, my React website also deployed easily using GitHub Pages. Now at the end, I'm gonna say something like, if you have any assets or some images or logos for your website, use this public folder to use your assets right here. Now as you can see, we have deployed this website using GitHub just for free. Now if you like this tutorial, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends, comment if you have any queries, and subscribe for more such amazing content. This is Coding signing out. Bye bye.